Hi, I'm AirWolf from AirWolf 3D, and I'm here today to talk to you about our COVID-19 face shield. And the face shield uses transparencies that you can buy at probably any office supply store. It uses a standard 3-hole punch, and we designed a 3D printable file that can be printed in 2 hours or less. So here we go. I've got my 8.5 by 11 transparency. I'm gonna put it in my 3-hole punch right there. We'll take that, then we're going to start it on our plastic 3D printed face shield. Now for the face shield, you can use probably most any material available. I'll let the medical community chime in with what the best one may be. But you see these studs there correspond with the holes that we've made in the transparency. And the device also has little ridges in the back to hold the transparencies nice and strong. The other thing is we took an elastic strap and we cut this to 16 inches long. And we're going to put the elastic strap on our face shield. And so yeah, in about a minute or less, we have a functional, probably light duty face shield. Now, you can do a lot of things with this. You could, if you wanted to make it a little bit more rigid, you could add more transparencies to the front. You can also put a piece of tape down here to probably add some more rigidity. We used our standard ABS with that, and if any medical professionals are interested, we literally have tons of ABS material at our shop because we make most of it in-house. So also you can use probably polycarbonate, PET, PLA, possibly nylon. You can download the solid part, the step file, and the STL file on our website. And once again, feel free to modify them, make them, use them, and let's all do our best to band together and hopefully help out those health professionals who are really on the front line and who the rest of us are really depending on. So thank you again.